Today we're gonna learn how to solve and graph a rational function. In this time we have this function. First of all, we need to factor it. So once we factor, this is the result. After this, the second step is to cancel like terms. That's why we have one like term here and another one here. So we cancel them and our product is this one.
To find the domain, we gotta use the non-factorized function and equal x to 0 to make sure the denominator is never 0. So you simplify the two factors and the domain is x is not 0 and x is not 2/3. So the complete domain will be minus infinite to 2/3, union with 2/3 with 2, union with 2 to infinite.
To solve for the whole in this function, we need to solve for x in the eliminated factor. So it will be 2/3. And this x we will substitute in the simplified expression, which will be the solution minus 13/4. So 2/3 will be the x of the whole and minus 13/4 will be the y of the whole.
To get the vertical asymptote, first you have to use the non-eliminating factor of the denominator. In this case is x minus 2. You have to solve for x and this will be 2. So the vertical asymptote is x equals 2. And to get the horizontal asymptote, what you have to do is use the simplified function. And you have to check if the exponents are the same or not. In this case, are the same. So you have to divide the coefficients. In this case is 2 divided by 1 and the answer is going to be 2. So the horizontal asymptote is y equals 2.
After getting the vertical and horizontal asymptotes, our next step is to get the y-intercept. The y-intercept, we get it by replacing the x value by 0. So in the function, we place the 0 and we solve the function. As a result, we will have 0, -3 halves.
To find the x-intercept, you gotta replace the value of y to 0, passing the denominator multiplicating so it cancels out, and you're left with 0 equals 2x plus 3, passing the 3 negative to the other side, and then passing the multiplicating to dividing on the other side, so you're left to x equals -3/2, and this is how you write the x-intercept.
The first step to graph is to place the vertical and horizontal asymptote. In this case, the vertical asymptote is x equals 2. So you're going to find the x2 and you're going to place a line. And the horizontal asymptote is y equals 2. So you're going to look for the 2 in the y and you're going to place the line.
To place the x and y intercepts, first to look out for the y-intercept, which is 0, -3/2. We're going to look for it. So it's over here. Then the x-intercept is -3/2, 0. So it's right here. Then to start graphing, we will need to find 2 or 1 more values. That's why we made this little table of values. When 4 is x, the value of y will be 11/2 or 5.5, which is right here. Then we substitute 7 for x and the value of y will be 17/5 or 3.4, which is right here. And then you can start graphing.
However, since this is a special case, we have a whole intercept that will be placed in the graph as an empty circle to show that the graph will not be passing through that point.
To find out the range, first we need to look from the y-axis from the bottom to the top, the minimum value to the maximum value. In this case, if you see this line, it has an infinite point. So we will point out minus or negative infinite because it is in the negative side, comma 2 because it is not touching the horizontal asymptote. That's why it is not included. Union with 2, not included, comma infinite because this line has an infinite value.